Hello and welcome to my workshop. Just a brief update on the tiny woodworkshop plans. I've finally converted all the metric measurements into imperial ones and created completely separate versions out of it. This should make life for the US makers much easier. I'm really proud of being able to provide you now over 360 pages of plans. It was a very hard work to get there, but it was definitely worth it. After the first 2 years of intense usage, I can tell you that this mobile folding multi-tool table, with its compactness, its modularity, with its modular dust collection concept underneath and above the table, is working out extraordinarily well. And beside that, from my point of view, it's a quite good looking object. So making these plans was an important first conclusion. But don't worry, it doesn't stop here. I'll continue to improve, modify and extend things, and I'll keep you up to date here on this channel. And I'll provide you all these modifications and updates in a digitalized form. So stay tuned, and if you have not already subscribed so far, subscribe to the Tiny Woodworkshop channel. What's very important, hit the bell icon. I'm not coming out regularly with new videos, but I will try to provide and show you new things here on this channel. So thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.